Hello friends, this video on aldehyde ketones carboxylic acid part 28 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. We'll take some numericals now. We had tried the equation for transformation of butane 1-ol to butanoic acid. So I have butane 1-ol with ith pro but 1-ol. I have to convert it to butanoic acid. What I can do is I can do oxidation. I can use a very strong oxidizing agent, right? I can do oxidation and it will be converted. This is done. Next is benzyl alcohol to phenylethanoic acid. So let's draw this. This is my benzyl alcohol and I have to convert this into phenylethanoic acid. It's my phenylethanoic with ethanoic acid. This is what I have to do. Correct. So if you see, I have to add one extra carbon here. So how I can do it? I can add CN. CN can easily be converted to carbon, COH. So what I can do is OH. First I have to replace with bromine or any halogen, because directly I can't replace OH with CN. So if I react this alcohol with HBr, benzyl alcohol, what will happen is this will become CH2Br. We have seen kind of reaction where bromine replaces the OH, and then we can react this with HCN. So now CN will replace this bromine. So this will become CH2CN. So once I have CH2CN, what I can do is I can oxidize this using a strong oxidizing agent, KMNO4 or something, and you'll get phenylethanoic acid. So now we have to convert 3-nitrobromo-benzene to 3-nitrobenzoic acid. Interesting. Let's see this. 3-nitro 1 2 3 nitro bromobenzene to this is benzoic acid and 1 2 3 nitro. See, from bromine to benzoic acid, again same thing we can do. Actually we can replace bromine with CN and oxidize it. That is one option. Or I can, this is Br, I can make it MgBr and react with carbon dioxide. There's two options, right? One option is I can directly react this with SCN, becomes CN, and then I can oxidize it to becomes benzoic acid. That is one, similar to the last example. Or what I can do is I can react this guy with magnesium in presence of ether. This will become a Grignard reagent. That is MgBr. Once I have MgBr, I can react with CO2. This reaction we have seen, right? This is minus charge, this is plus charge, this minus is plus, this will attack here. So what will happen here is, sorry, this is a NO2 here. So what will happen with this is, this is a NO2, so it will react with the, this becomes OMgBr, this one. And when once I do react this guy with water, this will become COOH and MgBrOH will come out. Right? This is what we have seen, this kind of reactions also. Or you can directly convert this into CN here, right? 3-nitrobromocyanide, and then you can oxidize it. That is also one possibility. The next is 4-methyl acetone to benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. Let me draw first. So methyl acetone, first let me draw COCH3, 1 2 3 4, 4-methyl acetone to 1,4-dicarboxylic acid, COH, 1 2 3 4, COH. So it's easy actually, you can just oxidize it with KMNO4 and then do a hydrolysis. You'll get it actually. You oxidize it, this gets oxidized to COH. CH3 also gets oxidized to COH, in fact COK, and then you just use this water to hydrolyze it and becomes COH. It's pretty easy one actually. The next is we have to convert cyclohexene. This is my cyclohexene to hexane 1,6-dioic acid. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is dioic acid. We have to convert this to this. See here, what we are doing is double bond is there, and we are converting double bond to COH, right? Breaking it. And this also you can do it by a strong oxidizing agent and the heat. Strong oxidizing agent and heat, it will convert this cyclohexane to hexane 1,6-dioic acid. This is hexane 1,6-dioic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane 1,6-dioic acid. The next is butanol to butanoic acid. So I have my butanol to butanoic acid with butanoic. It's pretty easy. I have to just use oxidizing agent. I can use weak oxidizing agent also. I can use tolerant reagent. I can use Phenyl reagent, or I can use strong oxidizing agent also. Any oxidizing agent will help here, right? Anything will help here. The next is you have to convert ethyl benzene to benzoic acid. This is also easy, only we have seen this. I have ethyl benzene. I have to convert this into benzoic acid. I don't care about the length of the chain. I just use a strong oxidizing agent. It will take care of everything. It will just convert into, and again the first once then and then hydrolyze this, because I'll get COK. Hydrolyze this, you'll get COH. Doesn't matter what is the length. Correct. Next is acetophenone to benzoic acid. So I have acetophenone. Same thing I can do here also. To convert this into benzoic acid, I can use the same strong oxidizing agent. It will take care of everything. It will take care of everything. First KMnO4 and then water. It will take care of everything. How will you convert this into benzoic acid? I have a bromobenzene. I have to convert this into benzoic acid. So I have a bromobenzene. I have to convert this into benzoic acid. So one option, you convert it into CN and then oxidize it. It becomes benzoic acid. Or the other option is, I think we have taken that thing. Let's take react with SCN. It will become CN and then oxidize with KMnO4. You get COH. That is one. Or you react this guy with Mg, you get MgBr. Then you react with CO2, right? CO2, it's not clear. Let me draw one second. CO2, this Phenyl is minus, it will attack this guy. So this becomes COMgBr and double bond O. You hydrolyze with water. What will happen is you get CO, this becomes H, and this becomes OH. It becomes OH, and this becomes MgBr OH. So you can use any of this method. The next is phenylethene to benzoic acid. So let's see what is phenylethene. I have this ethene. In this I add a phenyl. This becomes phenylethene. Right? Again, anything you have, just use acidified KMnO4, doesn't matter. It will take care and convert this to COH. That is first step, and the next you have to use water also. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality education videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.